Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many people search for again and again, how to learn English in a few days. First of all, let me be very honest with you. You cannot become perfect in English in a few days. But yes, you can start speaking, start understanding and build confidence in a few days if you follow this right method. Many people fail because they follow the wrong approach. They start with grammar, rules, long books and difficult words. They study a lot but still cannot speak. So today I will tell you a practical and realistic way to learn English fast. The first thing you must change in your mindset. Stop thinking English is difficult. Stop thinking I am weak in English. English is just a language, not a science. Millions of people speak it daily, including people who are not highly educated. So if they cannot it, you can also do it. Now let's talk about the most important rule. You don't learn English by studying English. You learn English by using English from day one. Start using English in your daily life. Speak English even if it is broken, even if it is simple, even if it is wrong. The biggest enemy is fear of mistakes. People are afraid of grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistake and people reactions, but remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistake, you are not learning. Now let's talk about daily speaking practice. You don't need a partner, you don't need a teacher. Talk to yourself in the morning. Say simple sentence like I am wake up, I am brushing my teeth, I am getting ready for work. During the day say I am working now, I am feeling tired, I am having lunch. At night say today was a good day, I learned something new today. This daily self talk builds fluency very fast. Next important step is thinking in English. Most learners first think in their mother tongue and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow. To learn English fast, start thinking directly in English. Start with simple thought. A simple sentence are enough. Don't try to speak big English. Speak clear English. Now let's talk about listening. If you want to speak English, you must listen to English. Watch English YouTube videos, blog, interviews or movies. Choose content with simple English. Don't pause again and again. Just listen. Your brain will slowly understand the flow, the rhythm, and the natural sentence. Listening daily for 30 minutes can change your English very quickly. Another powerful technique is shut down speaking. This means copying a speaker. Play a short English video, listen to one sentence, pause the video, repeat the sentence loudly. Try to copy the speed and confidence of the speaker. Do this daily for 10 to 15 minutes and you will feel improvement in a few days. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many people try to memorize thousands of words. That is a mistake. You only need daily use word in the beginning, word related to work, family, emotions, travel, daily activities. Learn 5 to 10 words daily. Make sentence with them. Speak those sentences loudly. For example, the word is practice. I practice English daily. Practice make confidence. I need more practice. Speaking vocabulary make it permanent. Now about grammar. Grammar is important, but don't start with heavy rules. Learn grammar naturally. Thought sentence. For example, I am working. I worked yesterday. I will work tomorrow. This way grammar become easy and natural. Don't stop speaking because of grammar fear. Fluency first, accuracy later. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence does not come from knowing English. Confidence comes from speaking English again and again. Speak slowly, pause while speaking. Slow English sound confidence. Fast English with fear sound weak. Also practice speaking in front of a mirror. Mirror practice remove hesitation. Now one very important thing, consistency. Learning English in a few days does not mean learning in one day. Give at least 1 to 2 hours daily. Speak daily, listen daily. Even 7 days of focused practice can bring visibility change. And finally, remember this, you don't need perfect English, you don't need useful English. English that help your communicate, English that help you express your thoughts. Start today, speak today, make mistake today. One day you will realize I am speaking English without fear. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing, keep speaking and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Goodbye.